Then ke bazalwane, Good Friday is not for the Lord Jesus. Ngikhulumile ngiyakhuluma futhi ngithi abantu ama-accident wonke enzakala la emhlabeni before Good Friday, they collect those blood and they keep it somewhere. And then whereby they keep it is the kingdom of darkness, lapha phezulu nangaselwandle, Atlantic Ocean and Indian Ocean. It is whereby the kingdoms of the devils are. So ke babeke igazi leli babekele kuzoliphuza on Good Friday. Baya celebrate about on Good Friday. Ba celebrate ukuthi simbulelo uJesu. Angithi yabo. So baya celebrate ngoba bona they know ukuthi bambulala uJesu. So ba celebrate emkhathini. So lapha emhlabeni abantu maba celebrate, but this is the Good Friday. Kusho ukuthi bayamhleka uJesu ngoba wafela into engayenzanga. So masifuna ukuthi sikhale ngoba ufela izono zethu thina siyajabula. Ngithe abantu mabandleni abahlanganisa imali from earlier ukuthi by that time masihlanganiseni bazalwane sizothenga inkomo. Sizodla inkomo Friday, Saturday until Sunday esontweni. So the question is, uJesu wafela nina nihlanganisa nithenga inkomo nizodla. Nidla kanjani umunye umntwana abulaba esiphambanweni afela wena niyahlaba nizodla? Akusisikhathi sokudla, isikhathi sokukhala. Then ke